Learn every day for a better life. Your wedding vows are one of the most important parts of your wedding day. They are the promises that you make to each other, the words that you will remember forever, and the foundation of your marriage. But writing your own wedding vows can be a daunting task. How do you put your deepest feelings into words? How do you express your love and commitment in a way that is meaningful and personal? In this video, we will give you the ultimate guide to writing your wedding vows. First, let's talk about the purpose of wedding vows. Wedding vows are not just a tradition, they are a sacred promise between two people who are committing to spend the rest of their lives together. Your vows should express your love, your commitment, and your hopes and dreams for the future. They should be personal, heartfelt, and meaningful to you and your partner. So, how do you begin to write your wedding vows? The first step is to take some time to reflect on your relationship. Think about what you love about your partner, what makes them special, and why you want to spend the rest of your life with them. Write down your thoughts in a journal or a notebook, and let your emotions guide you. Next, think about the tone and style of your vows. Do you want them to be serious and romantic, or light-hearted and funny? Do you want to include quotes or poems that are meaningful to you? Think about the style that best reflects your personality and your relationship. When you start to write your vows, remember that less is often more. You don't need to write a novel to express your love and commitment. Keep your vows simple, honest, and authentic. Speak from the heart, and let your love and emotions guide you. Finally, practice, practice, practice. Rehearse your vows out loud, in front of a mirror, or with your partner. This will help you feel more comfortable and confident when it's time to say them at your wedding. Remember, your wedding vows are a beautiful expression of your love and commitment to each other. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable, to be honest, and to speak from the heart. And most importantly, enjoy this special moment, because it will be a memory that you will cherish forever. In summary, here are 5 tips for writing your wedding vows. Tip number 1. Reflect on your relationship and write down your thoughts in a journal or a notebook. Tip number 2. Think about the tone and style of your vows, and choose a style that reflects your personality and your relationship. Tip number 3. Keep your vows simple, honest, and authentic. Speak from the heart, and let your love and emotions guide you. Tip number 4. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable and express your deepest feelings. Your partner is the one you love and trust the most, and they will appreciate your honesty and authenticity. And finally, tip number 5. Practice your vows out loud, in front of a mirror, or with your partner. This will help you feel more comfortable and confident when it's time to say them at your wedding. In conclusion, writing your wedding vows can be a beautiful and meaningful experience. It's an opportunity to express your love and commitment to each other in a way that is personal and heartfelt. Remember to take the time to reflect on your relationship. Choose a style that reflects your personality. Keep your vows simple and authentic. Be vulnerable and express your deepest feelings, and practice, practice, practice. With these tips, you can create vows that you will cherish for a lifetime. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that these tips will help you create the perfect vows for your wedding day. Subscribe to make your life better.